G'day from Jomtien, the residents, Jomtien Beach. And I'm back here to see Ian. Ian's the guy that has converted, he's done a mega transformation from 2 units to one, 2 condos into one. Absolute beast. And you'll see, I'll leave links to the 2 previous videos if you haven't seen it from the start. Wow, I can't wait to see this. It's been awesome. So it's almost done. But let's go and see Ian and check it out. Here he is, the legend, Ian.
Hello everyone.
So I'm dying to see this. He's
Yeah.
been a busy man.
I'll tell you about some things I've looked for. I've had an outer door done. I'm having a fly screen put on the other side.
Was this door here originally?
No, I've had this put in. So I can leave that door open.
And you've got ventilation that comes through. You can't see.
Yeah, but I'm going to have on the inside a fly screen.
Okay.
So
that's good.
This is what I don't understand. They did it lovely.
Oh.
No, the cat. So I had to ring them and say, no, I need the bottom of the frame put in.
Okay.
They're coming this week.
Nice door, though.
Obviously, this will be painted. But yeah, kitchen. I cannot praise Kvik kitchens enough.
What are they called?
Kvik. K-V-I-K.
Kvik. Okay.
Kvik.
Wow.
If this company was in the UK, you'd have a 6-month year waiting list.
Yeah.
Because they were that good.
Jeez. We were here 6 weeks ago. Well, I was here 6 weeks ago with Ian, and this wasn't here.
No.
Look at this.
They've got all the... I didn't know I was going to get this, but you got stuff like that.
Wow, look how nice that works too. The quality of that.
It's all soft touching lights underneath.
Yeah. Beautiful. Nice oven. Ian's a bit of a chef. Bosch. Wow.
It's all Bosch apart from the washing machine.
Yeah, beautiful bench tops. Wow.
They have to be sanded and redone every year. I had exactly the same in the UK, but it doesn't take long.
This is all new, is it?
Yeah, brand new wiring everywhere.
Wow. All throughout the whole place?
Yeah.
Amazing.
New plumbing.
New plumbing, new electrical. Wow. Big fridge. And he's got a bit of a bench here for eating.
Yeah, I've got a couple of actual bar stools I've made new, and they'll be coming here. So
look at this place. Can you just remind me and us what are the sizes of these places? So the 1 bedroom we're standing in.
I think the whole thing is about 115 square meters.
Okay. So we're standing in what was originally the 1 bedroom.
And I think that's without the balcony.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good.
That's just interior.
Jeez.
So, yeah. Here's the guest toilet.
These mirrors are all in the latest places that you can turn them on.
See, I think what they've got to do now, and my friend's a builder in the UK, and he said the hardest part of the job sometimes is the detailing at the end.
The final touches.
So if you look up there, they've got bits and bobs to do.
Look at the floor. Wow. And switches. Awesome.
Yeah, so I've got all the bloody furniture in because they said they were going to finish 10th of May. So I got the furniture delivered 20th of May.
Wow. So just so everyone knows, there's no workers here yet because they can't start working till
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
10 till 4. We did have a problem. This is the original skirting we got. And we needed more. So I went to try what to do. Don't do it anymore.
You're kidding.
So they put some in here. As you can see, they ripped it out so that the bedrooms have got the same skirting, and we've got a different skirting for in here.
Jesus Christ. What a job. Awesome. This has all been sanded back and varnished by the
Yeah,
look of
they
it.
repainted all this.
New lights. Wow. Good paint on there. Mm. I think people are just going to be in shock when they see this.
And this,
Like me.
I mean, it's cheap as chips, but it just fits perfectly. But I might just put a pad on there or something.
Yeah. Or could you put something on the bottom?
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Mm. A stopper.
Yeah.
Wow.
And, well, the other bathroom, they've got to put one of these in. But can you notice the unusual thing in here?
They haven't put the toilet.
And then the bathroom. Luckily, I check every evening when they've gone, and I came in here and there was a flood.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a down pipes there. That's all been fixed. Oh, my daughter bought my special tile over.
All right.
Carroll Road, Night City. That's why it's yellow.
Well, your friends over in England, you know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Beautiful shower. Look at that. But like Ian was saying, it's just little things they've got to fix up.
Yeah, I wasn't happy with this tile, and they replaced it. So that's fair enough, you know.
Mm. What are you doing? Sorry, mate. What are you doing here again? You're putting
It's a built-in
shelves, aren't you?
There's a built-in wardrobe that will come out like that and along there with shelves here for shoes, shelves there for clothes, and a hanger going across there.
Beautiful.
So that'll go up to there.
Wow. So just so everyone knows, there's no workers here yet because they can't start working till
10 o'clock,
10 o'clock.
10 till 4. We did have a problem. This is the original skirting we got,
Mm.
and we needed more.
Mm.
So I went to Thai what to do.
Mm.
Don't do anymore.
You're kidding.
So they put some in here. As you can see, they ripped it out so that the bedrooms have got the same skirting, and we've got a different skirting for in here.
Jesus Christ. What a job. Awesome.
And this is going to be the guest bedroom. Well, my daughter's bedroom.
Look at the size of this, guys. So this was originally a studio,
Yeah.
and that door has been put in.
She don't know I got this yet.
Wow.
When we were going furniture, she went, Dad, I love that.
What's your daughter's name?
Summer.
Mm.
And I said, no. So I bought it, and
It's a little Chase love lounge or love seat or whatever they call them. Very nice. God, this place is big.
yeah, she's got the bigger bedroom. I don't like a big bedroom, so
You just like big beds.
yeah. So all the outlets have been put here.
This has all been sanded back and varnished by the
Yeah,
look of
they
it.
repainted all this.
New lights.
And this,
Like me.
I mean, it's cheap as chips, but it just fits perfectly. But I might just put a pad on there or something.
Yeah. Or could you put something on the bottom?
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Mm. A stopper.
Yeah. Well, the other bathroom, they've got to put one of these in. But can you notice the unusual thing in here?
They haven't put the toilet in yet.
They have. But then if it was up against there, you'd be right up against the wall. So I can understand, and I'll swear that was done on purpose.
Of course. Yeah, I mean, people are going to think it looks a bit odd, but it's got to be like that.
That's quirky.
Quirky. I like
Yeah.
that. It's quirky. Wow. Horizontal jets. Look at that. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So they've got to varnish the doors with clear varnish. So, and I think they've got to do a lot of decorating just to touch it up. But
How much longer do you think before it's all done and detailed and
2
cleaned?
weeks.
And 2 weeks.
Yeah. Well, when they put the windows in this week, the week after, I've got someone coming in to do the curtains. And then the first week in June, they're coming to do the walk-in wardrobe. So my advice, if anyone is going to do something like this, now I'm a single guy, haven't got a Thai partner. I thought when I took this company on, because the son did all the work, all the groundwork, he spoke perfect English. I thought he was going to be on site, and he wasn't. So make sure if you get a company, they've got 1 or 2 people who can speak English on site, because it's bloody hard work otherwise.
Bloody hard work. Otherwise, you've got to use Google Translator all the time, and
that doesn't do
frustrating.
it properly every time. So
Yeah, that's good advice.
and I think a lot of Thais, you say da 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 da, and they go yeah, and they don't know. I think they're embarrassed to say no.
No, of
But
course.
then, and I've said it before, Jason, it's our fault. We should learn Thai.
I know. I mean, we come here and we complain.
Yeah,
It's their country.
it's not their fault.
It's not their fault. Anyway, well, I can't wait to come back. I mean, it's awesome, but I can't wait to come back when it's all cleaned and
Well, we're going to have
furnished.
Because my dad's carer said, "Are you going to have the condo blessed?"
Yeah.
So they're going to organise a couple of monks to come up and bless the condo. We'll have a ceremony kind of thing. So you'll have to come up and do
Definitely.
a YouTube thing for that.
That'd be awesome.
I mean, there'll be food and drink when they've left.
Okay.
So.
Sounds good. So how's it going in terms of
budget? 5.5.
Really? Wow.
That's without furniture, appliances. Yeah. That's just the building and Amazing. Yeah, I'm not including aircon in that.
Yeah.
That's just.
It's good though, because so many people that watch Good Vibes Patio specifically always comment about new buildings that are so small, like 28 square metre 1 bedrooms and 35 square metre 1 bedrooms, and you guys can do this sort of stuff.
Well, since I've been doing it, I think there's loads of people that come out of snout, and I know 3 people in the block who've had their aircon changed because they've seen how I've done it.
Yeah.
There's a bloke, another Australian, he wants to use the building company to do some refurbing his. That's not hard, and it's a fraction of the price that would be in Australia or
Europe, States.
I mean, even to have these windows imported from Germany, that's still so cheap. I shouldn't say cheap, but less expensive.
Less expensive. But it's a nice boutique building. It's so in a good spot too.
Yeah.
Wow. There you go. You can see Riviera Ocean Drive there and the construction of...
And I can't see them building in front here. I mean, you've got a Tops over there. These are private houses on the other side. That condo block goes halfway. I just can't see him building there. The famous last words. I've seen photos of this place. Fields, and that was 20 years ago.
Yeah.
And they've just...
But the beauty, I mean, this is just a nice outlook anyway here.
Oh, this is... these condos on this side have got the best.
They do.
And I'm sure they can see the sea from up the top.
Probably.
Yeah.
Is there a rooftop here? Like, can you get on the rooftop?
Never even looked.
Never looked.
No.
Well, that's a job once you've
Nice.
settled. So Ian's not going to live in here just yet after it's finished, which is a bit of a shame after you've...
Yeah, I spoke to my dad. He wants me to stay with him, so I'm going to rent it out. But sorry, only to couples and families, no single guys. I'm not going to go into the whys and
Mm. It's
I think
understandable. This is Ian's pride and joy. And he's...
yeah, and then when Dad does pass away, then I'll move up here. So I am going to rent it out.
Okay.
I haven't got a price yet because the estate agent's going to come when it's all finished.
Fair enough. Well, anyway, we'll stay tuned, everyone. But, mate, awesome job. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
It's very good of you to allow us to film and show everyone what's possible here in Thailand. And I just can't wait to see lounge out, beds
Yeah, a
made,
few plant
clean.
pots. Oh, it's a shame I can't get my pictures up because I won't be living here. But
I see.
you know, so there won't be enough on the walls. But I'll get a few plant pots. So I do like indoor plants. So
Makes a difference.
with white walls,
It
it looks really nice.
does, especially with the timber. Wicked. Thanks, mate. I'll
Okay.
see you guys soon. Cheers. Thanks, buddy.